If you want to learn modeling in Blender, here are 5 tips that will help you. Let's say you want to cut round holes into a model, but don't know where to start. Select the face where you want the hole, then insert the face to set the boundary of where you want the hole to be. Add some edge loops to get more geometry. Use the 2-sphere operation and extrude the face downwards. In general, you will always want to use a minimal amount of geometry to build your shapes. You can always add more geometry, but reducing the amount of geometry is more difficult. Keeping the geometry low makes it easier to work with, and also will increase the performance in real-time applications and video games. Beveling your models will make them more realistic, as in reality, no edges are completely sharp. Just remember that the bevel operations in Blender are relative to the model scale, which means that you should apply the scale of a model before beveling it. Otherwise, the bevel might get distorted. Also remember to shade smooth by angle. Bridging edge loops is something you will have to do sooner or later. You will need it to connect shapes or quickly cut holes through models. Don't worry, it's pretty simple. You only need to select 2 edge loops and then go over here and click Bridge Edge Loops. Make sure you avoid n-gons at all costs. N-gons are polygons that consist out of more than 4 vertices, and they can lead to weird shading, export issues and messed up geometry. When you have an n-gon, you can fix it up by using insets and by connecting the vertices with each other to create quads. You will always want to keep your models in quads. Triangles are also totally fine. Triangles just have the disadvantage of not providing information about the edge flow, which means tools like loop cuts won't work on them. Check out my profile for more tips and make sure to leave a follow.